Hey everybody, so I got a new hitch to show you today. Now this one was sent over to me to try out, and this one's an adjustable hitch, which is the only kind of hitch I like to use these days. What's great about them, if you have never used one, maybe you're just the first one you're looking at, but what's great is that if you have a larger vehicle, a taller vehicle, you can adjust the hitch up or down as you need. So if you got a trailer that is lower to the ground, you can lower it to the ground. And you can also flip this around and you can raise it up. So if your vehicle is really short and you got a tall trailer, well, there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything else that comes with it, and we'll put it on and I'll just give you a quick look at it. All right, so I did pull off my old hitch, get it out of the way, and give you a closer look at this one. You're going to see that you do have multiple adjustment holes that you can go up and down with. Also, this does have 2 balls on it, and we got the 2-inch will handle 8,000 pounds, and we got the 2 5/16, which will handle 12,000 pounds. And it does come with not 1, but 2 of the locks, so you can lock it to your vehicle, plus lock the hitch itself. It has a few silencer pads that'll help silence it if you got a shaky hitch that makes a lot of noise. You get 2 sets of keys and some little O-rings. You also get a iron ring along with one of the hex wrenches. All right, so let's go ahead and put it on. Now, some of you are already going to know what this is, how it works and everything. I am going to add a little bit more for those that are just learning about all of this. Anyway, like I said, you can put this in to either have it a rise or a lower, and it's just going to be a matter of flipping it up or down. So if I wanted to raise up for a higher up trailer, if you got a low vehicle, makes it really easy for that. Now, like I said, you got the 2 locks and you got the 2 sets of keys, and the sets of keys will work with both of them, so you don't have to worry about lugging around 2 full sets everywhere. Only takes a second to put it on. Now, what I mean by the silencer pads here a moment ago, if you got a rattle like this, you could put the silencer pads on and that will reduce the rattle on you. All right, and then whichever ball you need, just make sure that you have the right side up, and then just place it over. Now, it does have a couple little lips here that's going to keep it on there, and now it will slide up and down. So pick your height that you're wanting and slide that through there, lock it up, and now you're ready. Now, overall, it's a really nice hitch. I haven't used it yet since I don't have anything to pull right now, but it is really nice. It's built really nice, and I like that it comes with 2 locks and everything. But hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this one, and hopefully I helped you out with finding an adjustable hitch or learning a little bit about it. Thank you for watching.